As I mentioned the other day, we are now going to take the drug menace as a serious threat to the state, and we will go all out on a war footing to combat drug trafficking in all forms. And in fact, the seizures from contraband has gone up to 71 crores as we speak, and police have been put under very high alert to go all out against drug traffickers of whichever caliber. We will not miss out on the small guys or on the big ones, and there'll be no compromise when it comes to raids, seizures, checkings of illicit drugs of any variety.